Hey, run, please.
You listen to me. You have a gift. You have power. And with great power, there must also come great responsibility.
No.